and welcome to Accounting 2010 Online. I am Professor Corinne Anderson, your instructor for this course. We're starting off with our course homepage. So when you get into Canvas for the course and click on Home, this is what you will see. The first thing you'll notice is this course is broken out into modules. So for example, if you're working on Chapter 1, you would simply click on the Chapter 1 link on the home page, and you will be taken to a link with your Chapter 1 instructions, including your outcomes for the chapter, links to brief video lectures for each key topic in the chapter, and then information about assignments. So there is a screen like this for every chapter in the course. Let's go back to the home page. You'll also see some information about me. If you click biography, here's how you can get a hold of me and a little bit of my background information. Let's also talk about the way this course operates. So you'll see that there is a link for each chapter. There's also a link over to the left for the syllabus. So if you click on syllabus here, you'll be taken to our course syllabus. So again, there's my contact information. I have office hours on the Redwood campus. If you would like to come talk to me, please do. Please text me. Please email me. I definitely want to hear from you, and I definitely want to help you with any issues that may come up during the course. Here we have information about our course textbook. It's for sale in various places online, as well as in the Salt Lake Community College bookstore. You can also purchase an ebook in conjunction with a My Accounting Lab subscription. Other noteworthy things about the syllabus: there's an accounting lab on the Redwood campus that you are welcome to visit in order to get help with your assignments. Here's the way the course is laid out: 10% participation, 5% each for your welcome discussion assignment and your ePortfolio assignment. You have 3 midterm exams for this class. However, the lowest of your 3 scores will be dropped in calculating your final grade. And then you also have a final exam that's worth 20%. I'm not going to go over the entire syllabus with you right now, so please make sure that you read this document in its entirety. And if you have any questions about any of the information listed here, please let me know as soon as we can at the beginning of the course. But one important thing to note on the exams: for each exam you can have 2 attempts if you would like in order to improve your score. The first attempt will be due on the date noted on the course homepage. The second attempt for each exams will be due on the last scheduled day of classes, which this semester is December 8th. So remember, you have 2 attempts for each exam. The second attempt is due on the final day of classes before reading day. Now let's talk about My Accounting Lab. My Accounting Lab is an online portal where you will be submitting all of your practice assignments. Now, another thing to note in this class is that the only things that you get graded on, your only homework assignments, are your ePortfolio assignment and your class participation. All of your assignments for each chapter, those are for your practice and mastery, but those are not part of your final grade. It is only practice for you to help you learn the material. So, that being said, all of your exams and all of your homework is administered online through Pearson's My Accounting Lab. So if you click on My Lab and Mastering in Canvas, you will then be able to click a link to connect to the My Accounting Lab page. Now my screen looks a little different than yours since I'm an instructor, but over here on the right, you will have the option to select your My Accounting Lab product. When you click through that link, you will then be instructed to log in to Pearson's My Accounting Lab. You need to pay for an access subscription to My Accounting Lab, but you can immediately get a 14-day free trial. So if you are waiting for a textbook or something, you can access My Accounting Lab online immediately with a 14-day trial that you then will have to convert to a paid subscription at the end of the 2-week time. Now let's look at what My Accounting Lab looks like. So once again, you access My Accounting Lab by clicking here on My Lab and Mastering in the Canvas page for this course. You'll then get an option to go to My Accounting Lab. It'll be here on the right-hand side. Once you have set up an online login to My Accounting Lab, this is what it will look like. You'll have a course homepage. You'll be able to view what to work on next, which shows your upcoming assignments. When it is time for you to do a practice assignment or to take an exam, you'll click here on Assignments, and you will be shown the assignments that are available for you to work on now. So for example, if I wanted to work on the Chapter 1 practice assignment, I would click it here, and then when I click on the question ID here, it's going to bring up the assignment so that I can start working. All of your homework assignments will be worked on in this way. When it's time for you to take an exam, instead of clicking on Do Homework, you would click on Take a Quiz or Test. Now, as a reminder, this class does not have quizzes, it only has tests. Up here it says your instructor has not created any quizzes for you. That is just because none of your exams are available yet to be taken. Your exams are available for 1 week, and you will be able to access each exam from this menu when it becomes available. So that's My Accounting Lab. Remember, you can get a 2-week free trial, and an access code to My Accounting Lab comes new if you purchase a new textbook. It includes an access code, or you can buy the access code separately and buy a copy of an e-textbook, or you can buy a used textbook and use the access code and pay for an access code, to access My Accounting Lab. But all of your graded coursework, other than your welcome assignment and your ePortfolio assignment, has to be accessed through My Accounting Lab. Now I've returned back to the Canvas page for the class, and I've gone to Assignments. If you look at the assignments, you'll see you have your accounting exams. You'll see for each exam there is an attempt 1, there is an attempt 2, and you'll notice the first attempts are due on the dates noted in the home page, and the second attempts are all due the last day of class. These assignments are weighted to be 60% of your grade, these exams. Now let's talk about the only homework assignments you have that are graded. You have your welcome discussion, which is due August 31st. What you need to do here is post a brief bio about yourself. If you click on the link here, then you'll be taken to a description of the assignment, but it's basically a short introduction of yourself. The other graded assignment, other than your exams, is your ePortfolio. You need to do a brief written assignment regarding ethics and financial reporting. As with the welcome discussion, you simply click on the assignment to get the details. Here's the description for the ePortfolio assignment up here. And you can also access the same instructions from the course homepage. You'll see there's a link that says ePortfolio. This will also take you to the same instructions that I just showed you. There's also a My Accounting Lab instructions. Should you need help enrolling in My Accounting Lab, here are some resources here for you. As My Accounting Lab is so crucial to getting the course content and getting you practicing and taking your exams, please contact me immediately if you're having trouble accessing My Accounting Lab. You'll see there's a link here for final exam details. This is an online course, but you must take your final exam in person in the SLCC Testing Center. You have information here about the way the final exam is going to be offered, but keep in mind now it is a paper exam. It is the only exam that you will take in this course that is not proctored online. So information, once again, that's from the home page. There's details about how the final exam is going to be administered. So as a wrap up, Remember, in this course, you are only graded on your 3 midterm exams, and remember, the lowest score will be dropped. You get 2 attempts for each exam. Only your better score will count towards your final grade. You also have a final exam that's worth 20%, 2 homework assignments, and a participation score that you will simply receive 100% points for working on exam materials. Remember then also that on the link to each chapter, there's a set of video links to help you learn the material. This is meant to work in conjunction with you looking over your textbook. You have a practice assignment and a mastery assignment. Those assignments are both accessed through my accounting lab and are only for practice. They do not count towards determining your final grade. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further questions about how this class works, please let me know as soon as possible. I absolutely want to hear from you sooner rather than later. Please contact me if you have any other questions about how this class operates. I definitely want to hear from you sooner rather than later. Remember that the key to doing well in this class is to do all of your practice and mastery assignments and to fill in any gaps from the textbook with the video links that are provided, and also by asking for help from the accounting lab or from me. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you have a great semester.